Hi there. Since January is National Radon Awareness Month, I thought I would go ahead and explain a little bit better what radon gas is. My name is Malcolm with Chattanooga Home Inspector. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, radon gas is the second leading cause of lung cancer, second only to cigarette smoke. Their estimate is that radon gas kills approximately 22,000 people a year. According to the National Cancer Institute, people in the United States spend over $2 billion a year in direct and indirect healthcare costs due to radon gas. Radon gas is technically a radioactive gas that naturally occurs with the decay of uranium. The fact that you may live near a nuclear power plant, that doesn't matter. The fact that you may have propane or natural gas in your home, that also doesn't matter. Radon actually is a tricky sucker. Your neighbors could have low levels, your next door neighbors, while you have high levels in your house. It is a low-lying, dense gas that you cannot taste, you cannot see, and you cannot smell. The only way to know if your home has high levels is to test for it. We use a Corinthian Pro AirThings continuous monitor. However, there are several machines and charcoal canisters out there that can test for it. Our machines just give us immediate results. Every single house that we've ever tested has radon gas in it. The question is, are the levels high? Radon levels are measured in paracuries. If the levels are above 4, mitigation is suggested. We have found low and high levels in all types of homes with basements, crawl spaces, and even slabs. According to the EPA, a family whose home has radon levels above 4 is exposed to approximately 35 times as much radiation as the Nuclear Regulatory Board would allow if that family was standing next to the fence of a radioactive waste site. An elementary school student that spends 8 hours a day, 180 days in a classroom with radon levels above 4 paracuries will receive 10 times as much radiation as the Nuclear Regulatory Commission allows at the edge of a nuclear power plant. We love you and your families. Please give us a call or a text or check us out on the web. Thank you.